Hey everybody, it's Tanya Atomic and Happy New Year everybody. Right now it's New Year's Eve. We're getting close to midnight where I am, and I just wanted to say Happy New Year to everybody out there, and I hope your New Year is safe and wonderful and fun and amazing, and I wish you all the best for this new coming up year. And today I'm going to be unboxing HorrorPack. Now, I got a message from HorrorPack saying they were going to be a little bit late. HorrorPack is a Blu-ray subscription service. You get 4 Blu-rays for one low price of 30-something, or 32-ish, something like that. And they're all Blu-rays, and you get a limited edition. So let's take a look. The first one we have is Haunter. And this says it's Abigail Breslin, starring in Haunter. It's a unique take on the traditional haunted house story. And it's about a teenager and her family who died in their home under sinister circumstances. Unable to move on, their spirits continue to roam the house. And let's see. Oh, the girl has to reach out from the grave to for someone to... she must reach out from beyond the grave. Oh, to help her living counterpart avoid the same fate. So she's a ghost trying to reach out and warn the new people that live there so that they don't also die. Haunter. Anyway, I got a message from HorrorPack saying that their Decembers were a little bit late, and it is a little bit late. This is December 31st, but it's still December. Then the next one is Jurassic Dead, and this is a unit of mercenaries team up with a group of tech geek students. Mandu, my cat's getting into trouble. After America is struck with an EMP attack, the mad scientist creates a living T-Rex dinosaur, living dead T-Rex dinosaur. Then there's The Bench. This is the HorrorPack exclusive. And it is 2007. There's emerging filmmakers and actors in the Scottish wilderness making a low-budget horror film. So it's one of those, the horror crew ends up in a horror movie. So, it says, Cabin with a Bloody Past, An Invitation, Nightmarish Reality, The Bench. Then the last one is Cherry Tree. And this is Faith's world being turned upside down after she finds out that her beloved father is dying. Uh-oh. Then there's a new mysterious hockey coach who is head of a witches' coven. And the witches can bring the dead and dying back to life. So I haven't heard of any of these ones, and I haven't seen any of these ones. So Cherry Tree, Death is Just the Beginning, is what it says. Haunter, Jurassic Dead, and The Bench. What do you guys think of these titles? I'm excited to look at them because I've never heard of these. So what do you guys think? Do you do HorrorPack? Do you want to? Have you seen any of these movies? Let me know in the comments below. And thank you guys so much. Happy New Year's. Happy New Year's. I hope your new year is wonderful. And I hope you had wonderful holidays. And as always, thanks for watching.